Hey guys, it's B. Welcome to another episode of Monday Blind Bag Bin. Today I'm going to be opening more and new blind bags. Yay! So let's get started. On to our first blind bag. We got Disney Cars Surprise Egg. Let's open it. Crack it open. Open it. Okay, so here's the flyer. We got Lightning McQueen. Let's put them together. Here we go. There's Lightning McQueen. Onto our second blind bag. We got Shopkins Season 2. Ooh, got something big. Let's open it up. Awesome. We got a cool microwave. Let me get out the list. Awesome microwave. We got Zappy Microwave. And she's an ultra rare. Onto our second one. Open it up. We got Foster Pasta. He's so adorable. And I think he has some red sauce coming out of his mouth. So adorable. So we can heat up the pasta. Beep, beep, beep. Yay! Onto our third blind bag. We got My Little Pony. We got Sunny Breezy. She also comes with a card and says, and all of her friends love to visit Ponyville. And she also doesn't have a cutie mark. Onto our fourth blind bag. We got Littlest Pet Shop. And I'm also running low on blind bags, but soon I'm gonna get more. Put them together. There's our little creature. It's an adorable little bunny. She's number 3780. She's so adorable. Onto our fifth and last blind bag. We got My Little Pony Fashems. Let's open it up. we got Rainbow Dash. She's so squishy. She has rainbow hair and a lighting. Very cutie mark. Well guys, here are all the figures I got. My favorite was Rainbow Dash and the microwave. Well guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye!